BJP has attacked the Prithviraj Chavan government in Maharashtra after reports emerged that 4 youths from the state have joined the ISIS terrorists in Iraq. The families of the missing youths, however, have denied the report. Now the centre has sought a report from the Maharashtra government over this ISIS indoctrination.
3,500 kilometers from India, crisis brews in Iraq as the rebel forces of the Islamic militant group ISIS fight on. But now an India link emerges with the ISIS fight. In this area of a suburb in Mumbai, an alleged link to the ISIS has been reported. 4 young men from this area had gone to Iraq recently and are now missing. After a missing complaint was lodged by the families, the intelligence agencies believe that these men could have been recruited by the ISIS cadres.
3 other youngsters from Kalyan and Thane area have also gone on the pretext of a pilgrimage to Iraq, and contact with them was lost after they crossed somewhere near Mosul. Last heard they had gone towards Fallujah, but the parents have filed a complaint again, regarding this in the Bazarpet police station here in Kalyan. So far there has been no news of the youngsters and what they have been up to.
Thus we have registered 4 missing complaints, and our inspector of the police station is looking into it. He is investigating the matter.
Experts believe that with Iraq becoming breeding ground for insurgents, hardline elements have become active in their efforts to radicalize and recruit youth for terror activities.
These kind of people, who come out, just 8,000 in number and try to take on an entire army and in fact win in a couple of places, they are a kind of hero worship. It's not the ideology, but it's kind of brutality which is hero worship, and we've got quite a lot of them in India.
The families which have lodged complaint of missing young men have, however, rubbished the ISIS indoctrination reports.
वो बच्चे बिल्कुल इनोसेंट है, वो बच्चे अचानक गए, माँ बाप खुद परेशान है, उनका बुरा हाल है, और हमने इस इंफॉर्मेशन को बाजारपेट पुलिस स्टेशन, हमारे एरिया की जो पुलिस स्टेशन है, उनको पूरा सूचित कराया है.
But even as the probe is underway to locate the missing boys, a political fight has begun.
हा अत्यंत गंभीर विषय आहे आणि हा विषय खरं म्हणजे राज्य सरकारवरती ह्याची जबाबदारी दिली पाहिजे.
Radicalization has been a matter of worry for us, and it's a matter of worry for most nations which have vulnerable populations.
Now the centre wants a detailed report from Prithviraj Chavan government in Maharashtra, even as the ISIS is allegedly extending its efforts to radicalize more youth. Bureau Report, Times Now.